Is the Zakdavi Glucose Laser Blood Glucose Monitor truly the revolutionary device it claims to be? Or is it just another cleverly marketed product playing on the hopes of people looking for a pain-free way to manage their blood sugar? The promise is bold. No needles, no test strips, just a simple laser reading that gives you instant results. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's exactly what made me dig deeper. Zakdavi advertises itself as an FDA-approved product with over 1 million happy customers, supposedly backed by science and recommended by doctors. But when you look past the shiny sales pitch, things start to unravel quickly. The first red flag? The website domain was only registered recently, yet they claim to have been around since 2016. That's a major inconsistency. Then there are the so-called certifications and badges. They look convincing at first glance, but some appear suspiciously generic or possibly even fake, and I couldn't find any reliable verification. The doctor endorsements also don't hold up under scrutiny. The image used is a stock photo, not an actual medical professional with credentials tied to the product. Combine that with their high-pressure sales tactics, constant countdown timers, and urgent limited-time deals, and it all starts to feel less like a trusted medical solution and more like a typical online scam strategy. Even more concerning is the absence of real customer feedback on major review platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. For a product that supposedly sold over 1 million units, the silence from actual users is deafening. There's no solid proof that this device does what it claims, and no transparency about how it even works or what kind of technology it uses. In the end, while the idea of a painless, laser-based glucose monitor is certainly appealing, there's just not enough real-world evidence or credibility to confidently recommend it. It's not outright calling it a scam, but based on what I found, buyers should proceed with extreme caution and do serious research before making any decisions.